Yo Rollies, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. For this simple video, I just want to give you a walkthrough of all the available features, applications, and settings for the Huawei Watch Fit 4 so that you can have an idea what to expect should you choose to get this for your fitness journey. With that said, let's get into it. Alright, so let's do a walkthrough of all the available features, settings, and applications inside the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Mind you, these are all out-of-the-box settings, so you might not find any personal stats just yet. Alright, so first we have our default or stock watch face right here. If you press on that or press and hold, you will see all the available watch face. So let's browse through them real quick. There you go. So by default, out of the box, we have a bunch of watch faces already available here, but you can add more via the application or the mobile app. Alright, so let's go back to our default watch face. Of course, you can also press on custom to customize not just the colors, as you can see here. These are the available colors, but also the shortcuts. So we have two for this particular watch face. So here are all the available functions that you can add on that particular shortcut. All right. And then going back, we have another one here at the bottom. So the available options here are a little bit different to the other one. Okay. Don't worry, we're gonna browse through all of these features later. Okay, so when we swipe to the left, you will see the Smart Assistant. There you go. And then if we swipe to the other side, we'll see our activity records or our rings. And you can also swipe back to return, of course. For example, here, you can swipe to go back. And then swiping here, we'll see our well-being. We have our shortcuts here for our statistics and other fitness features, like for example here for breathing exercises, I think, and stress exercises. And then we have our heart rate. I just walked outside, so my heart rate is a bit high right now. And then we have our health clovers. And then we have our stress levels, sleep, okay? And then of course our SpO2 or oxygen or blood oxygen level. Another swipe will bring us to a bunch of shortcuts as well. So we have contacts. We have our phone record. We have a music player here, which by the way, it has a speaker. There you go. And then we have our calendar. There you go. We also have our weather here. Another swipe to the right will bring us to a few workouts here. We have walking. We have swimming. We have cycling. And we have running. And then another swipe to the right, we have our moon phase, and that's pretty much it for the shortcuts. These are customizable, by the way, on the settings. Okay, going back to the home page, if we swipe up, we'll have our notifications, and then swiping down, we'll have our settings. So we have a flashlight here. You can adjust the brightness using the knob. You can also adjust the color and the flash if you're into that. Aside from that, you can also enable screen on for 5 minutes. Change your mode to do not disturb or sleep mode. And then we also have our alarm. And then we have find phone. So my phone right here is ringing. Then aside from that, if you swipe more, we'll have the lock screen and drain if you just use this for washing or swimming or taking a bath. Okay? And then aside from that, of course, we have the rest of the settings. So here are the rest of the settings. We have Bluetooth. We have more connections here. Then we have watch face and home settings. Then manage cards. This is what I was talking about earlier. You can delete those cards that you don't necessarily need. And then we also have display and brightness, sound and vibration, notifications, mode. Then we have PIN, permission manager, payment. This one is for GCash. I have yet to set this up, but you have that as an option. So you can pay directly using the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Then we have offline maps, down button. You can customize the button here on the side. And then we have workout settings, HR, heart rate, data broadcast, and system and update. There you go. So aside from that, you can also press on the crown right here and see all the available apps in hex view like this or list. So I prefer the hex grid, but for this purpose, let's go ahead and use the list mode. So we have workout. At first, I was kind of disappointed because I wasn't able to find the boxing, but you can actually add that here. Add more workouts that are not by default or not enabled by default, and there's a ton of available workout here. So aside from that, we also have route draw, workout records, workout status, activity records, stay fit if you want to manually input all of your fitness and calorie intake and all that stuff. All right, so aside from that, we also have emotional well-being, heart rate, pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, SpO2, sleep, health clovers, breathing exercises, and the standard functions like call log, contacts, notifications, music. We also have remote shutter, weather, calendar, alarm, timer, stopwatch, flashlight, calculator, compass, barometer, find phone, settings, and like I said, Gcash. So again, you can choose to do the hex grid. Now, the side button here can also be customized, but by default, it is going to the workouts or the available workouts. You can change this on the setting as well. So I think that's about it for the available features, settings, and applications inside the Huawei Watch Fit 4. But before we end this video, let's check out the Huawei Health app so that you can have a bit of an idea what are the available features and settings specifically for the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Alright, so right here we have our default watch face, and then we have our battery percentage, and then we have more watch faces here that you can choose from. There's a ton of available options here. And then aside from that, we have all the features and settings here. So we have watch faces wherein we can see all the stock or default watch faces, as well as all the available watch faces that you can upload to your Huawei Watch Fit 4. Then aside from that, we have notifications here. So we have messages and other social media applications. Then we have offline maps. I've already downloaded NCR here for our country or national capital region. Then aside from that, we also have find device, which we've already tested earlier, but you can also do here on the other way around. There you go.
I'm here.
All right. Then we also have alarm, then weather reports, then health monitoring. So I've already enabled all of them, but by default, I think SpO2 and sleep breathing awareness is disabled. Okay. Then we have pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. I've already accepted all the permissions that I was asked for earlier. And then we also have sleep breathing awareness. So again, like I said, this is just out of the box settings. I don't have any stats yet. Okay. Then we have favorites. Then we have help that includes the quick start guide and other information right here. Aside from that, we also have device settings, where you have raise to wake and remind when disconnected. And of course, we have app management as well. Aside from that, we have restore factory settings, firmware update, and device info. And that's all the available features and settings inside the Huawei Health app for the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Of course, there are a bunch of other features here that maybe we can tackle on further videos. By the way, before I forget, this is now available at Digital Workers' official website, and based on their product page, if you order from May 22 to June 30, 2025, you may get a free FreeBuds SE2 ceramic white and a Momax Power Mini 5000 mAh USB-C white power bank. That's 3,000 Philippine pesos worth of freebies. So check it out. And of course, as usual, honest disclaimer, this video is not paid, but Digital Worker provided us a review sample of the Huawei Watch Fit 4 for me to share with you my honest experience. So make sure to subscribe for the full review. Thank you for watching.